Did you know that 79% of leads never convert because they are not properly qualified? Let's change that. Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes, where we solve your everyday challenges with AI. Today we're tackling lead generation, a problem many small business owners struggle with. Let's jump right to it. Traditional lead generation methods can be exhausting. Picture this. You're spending hours manually creating lists, researching prospects, and guessing who to prioritize. Sound familiar? This outdated approach leads to wasted time and missed opportunities. But what if AI could do the heavy lifting for you? Let me show you how AI transformed this chaos into clarity. The first step is picking the right tool. Here are 3 excellent options for small business owners. HubSpot, ideal if you already use a CRM and want AI-driven lead scoring. Apollo.io, perfect for automating outreach and tracking lead engagements. And ZoomInfo, great for detailed insights on B2B leads. Not sure which fits your needs? Here's a prompt to try with ChatGPT for a customized comparison. I own a small business in, put in your industry here. Compare HubSpot, Apollo.io, and ZoomInfo for lead generation. Include pros, cons, strengths, weaknesses, and pricing. Provide the results in a table. And here we go, our comparison in a very easy to read format. And a little pro tip, always explore free trials to see what works best for your business. For this demo, we'll use Apollo.io. It's intuitive and gets results. Next, connect your CRM and other data sources to your chosen AI tool. If you're unsure how, use this AI prompt to guide you step by step. So in Gemini, we'll put, how do I connect, put in your CRM name, with put in the tool name for seamless data integration. Once connected, your AI tool is ready to start analyzing and prioritizing your leads. Step 4, define your ideal lead criteria. Not all leads are created equal. To make AI work for you, define what makes a lead qualified. Some examples to consider are demographics. Are they in your target location or industry? Behavior. Have they visited your site or downloaded a resource? And buying interest. Did they engage with your pricing page? Use this prompt to refine your criteria with AI. I sell, put in your product or service. 2, identify your target audience. What criteria should I prioritize to qualify leads? Once you've defined your criteria, filter your audience and let the AI do its magic. Step 5, analyze and act on AI insights. Here's where the magic really happens. AI scores your leads based on their likelihood to convert. For example, a lead repeatedly visiting your pricing page might score 80 out of 100, making them a high priority prospect. You can even craft personalized messages based on these insights, increasing engagement and boosting conversion. Step 6, automate follow-ups. Tools like Apollo or HubSpot can send personalized emails based on triggers, like when a lead downloads a resource. With automation, you'll never miss an opportunity to connect with a potential customer. And that's it. In just 5 minutes, you've learned how to use AI to make lead generation smarter and more efficient. AI doesn't just save you time, it helps you focus on the leads most likely to convert, so you can grow your business faster. Want to learn more about how we can take you from AI confusion to AI-powered growth? Schedule a free 15-minute consultation today at investinyourself101.com. Let's work smarter, not harder.